So good morning guys, I'm still continue exploring Mekelle and right now I'm heading to Hawelti Memorial Complex dedicated to Tigrayan soldiers who fought for the Tigray region in the various battles. Salam. So this is how actually right now kids around welcoming you with the songs, kind of celebration songs dedicated to Ashenda. And today is, yes guys, today is Ashenda and I'm so happy to be here in Mekelle right now. And we almost came to the place, just there, you can see that place, that obelisk that we're going to. While I'm walking, you can guys observe life of Mekelle. It's so beautiful. Guys, I stopped here just to drink some coffee and we'll continue to the Martyrs Memorial, but as of now we're gonna have some bunna or bun in Tigrinya. So we're gonna have some coffee and then go back to continue to go to Martyrs Memorial. Got some coffee guys, Ethiopian bun, very beautiful, very tasty, so refreshing, giving you energy while you're walking around the streets. Bun, Cebu. So while I'm in Tigray, I try to speak more Tigrinya than Amarinya. Very beautiful coffee, very tasty. So yeah. Salam. So guys, behind my back is the memorial, and here is like the entrance alley, and I just paid 150 birr to visit this memorial. They also ask for some identification card, but I don't have. However, they still allow me to come, and this is the place. I'll show you something like something written here. I'll show you 1 second. It says meaning of the heritage. Basically, the memorial represents the community that reflects historical, like cultural, political and economic activities and interactions, you know. This is the one. And we go upstairs. So this is the place. Wow, so cool. Basically, I came by my feet from Johannes IV Palace. It took me about like an hour something, and I drank some coffee by the road with some beautiful Habesha girl, and now I reach the memorial. It's my second location for today, and the third gonna be the most amazing one. It's gonna be Ashenda celebration at Bologna Stadium. So you can see just behind my back the place, guys. So cool. Let's check it out what we have here. As I know, there is also kind of like a museum, like a separate building You from where, Tigray?
Yes, sir. Tigray.
Mekele?
Ah,
Okay.
okay.
So people very welcome. Okay, no problem. Take me. So people so friendly, asking to take picture together. Why I cannot resist? No, I cannot. Wow! Look at this. There is some monuments over here. So cool, guys. The place is so stunning. And you have huge observation area on the Mekelle town, guys. Wow. Just check it out, this one. Wow. Let's go check it out from the other side. This obelisk looks so tall, so huge. I don't know, guys, if you know when it was built, please share your comments down below. And it's very, very huge. And other side there is like a skyline overview on the city. But let's just walk around of this memorial. Check the other side. On the other side you can see some kind of bas relief of the soldiers and the tanks. Let me just show you more closer, okay? See this one. So cool. Let's just check it out from the other side. So I think the entrance to the museum is somewhere over there, down below. I think on the left side there is a yellow construction. Actually there is another one, but I don't know which one is it. So, but we'll check it out. The girls are following me. They're following me. However, I give them already a lot of money, but enough. I don't have millions. Anyway, let's check it out, the museum. So interesting, so historical, and like people really proud of this monument, about the effort the soldiers doing for the nation, for the Tigrayans. I was right, guys. Here is the museum. Hopefully it's open as well. Let's check it out if there is a museum here. Philodendron. Museum. Museum here? Yeah. Museum. Yeah. So far, people so cool, so friendly. And here is the museum, guys. This is coat of arms of Tigray party, TPLF, basically. And let me check the main entrance, actually, how it looks like. Just like that. So basically this is the main entrance to the museum that we're gonna experience right now. Salam. So friendly, I like that. And let's check it out what's saying here. Mezker مذكر مذكر سوات تقدلتين هربنيا تتن. Let's proceed inside. So cool, so much greenery, a lot of nice trees, so cool. Guys, this is the museum. It has very beautiful dome, and most of the museum consists of the pictures, the photos, historical photos, the soldiers who fought for the TPLF, and this is so interesting. There are some groups of people having some private tour, and I'm here to check it out by myself. Let's go downstairs over there to check some places. Okay. You can say hi. Salam. Kame. Cebu? Dahando? Kemelehi? Or Kemeleha? Cebu, yeah? You from Mekele? Mekele?
Yes.
Yes. Me? Adigrad. Adigrad. Yeah.
Yes.
Habesha.
Yes.
Okay. You can relate. So cool kids paying some interest about my camera, about my blog. So I should have filmed them definitely. Huge middle hall consists of photos. And let me just show you some of them. Guys, that's it about the museum. Actually, I was expecting to have some more like artifacts, some kind of exhibition items. However, here you can see mostly it's like picture gallery, like photo gallery, where is depicted life of TPLF party, of TPLF movement. So we're gonna proceed outside. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Palace Johannes IV and Royalty Monument. So guys, it was a pleasure to make a video for you. And on this note, with the flag of TPLF Tigray, I'm gonna end this video and see you guys in the next video that I will post very soon from Ashenda celebration. Vasily was here. Mekele. See you next time. Thank you.